good morning, guys. Yeah, at the moment, yeah, we are here. We're just going to observe the sunrise, and Mario is also here watching the sunset. Say hi to Mario. Are you enjoying the sunset? Sunrise. And we are now in the town center of Salamander Bay. There are some modern apartment in here, and the beach area is just at the back of these houses. Everywhere here in Australia is beautiful. Wherever you look, wherever you go, whatever you see are sure to be beautiful. I am now heading to Nelson Bay to meet Erickson and Inigo. We're going to have a breakfast somewhere, I don't know. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Look at that very big dog. Yeah, my bike can now just run 3 kilometers. It means that if I run out of battery, I'll be having a hard time to go up to my apartment. And we are now here in the Nelson Bay foreshore, and there are so much movement going on in the water. Yeah, many people are doing their kind of activities. Nice. And also many people are already in the beach in there, in here. Oh, they are having barbecue in there. Nice. Yeah, just beside their car parking, and she's doing some kind of barbecue. Nice. Inigo and Erickson is in there. I thought they are on the bike. Wala, ganyan lang yan.
Tatingin.
Oh, there are so many people this time here again. Yeah, they are building this jumping something. Yeah, we're going to leave the bike there, and we're going to join with Erickson and Inigo in there. Oh, I got the wrong cup. This one is empty. I have this one here. Kahit hindi marunong, pwede mo lang makakapit. Oh, look at this. There is like a cart, a trolley. No sweating yet, but I'm feeling hot already. We are waiting for Inigo's friend. We're going to eat somewhere in Barry's Park. Magandang hapon. Ayos, Almer.
Ganda na ito ah.
We are here in Barry Park, and I'm with Almer and Jong.
Hey mate.
And Inigo. We're going to eat rice, of course, and chicken. Okay, we did the 15 minutes picnic. Finish. Oh, this one I forgot to put in the bin. Yeah, so I'm looking for a bin now. I just get down from the car of Almer and Jong. Yeah, they are also Filipino. They are living here for 2 years now, but yeah, just this time I meet them. There's really so much people around here, even from there in the Pingal Bay, in the beach area. really nice. It's good to see when there are more people, and it feels really normal around here. And I'm now going to pick up my bike. It's in there, and look at these kids. They are having their fishing rod. Yeah, my bike is on that side. Whoa! Yeah, my bike is there, but we are going first to the toilet. We are going home now. The time now is 1:35. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, that's the time, 9:05, and I'm now preparing my meal. It's going to be rice and eggplant and egg. Yeah, very simple. Oh, let's also add some of this. This is a frozen ham. Oh, the eggs here in Australia is always color like this, not white. Yeah, I've never seen any white egg in here. Yeah, this rice is copper is really good. Amazing. Thank you again, Mr. Mike. And it stands again. Okay, so yeah, I just picked this up. Yeah, I washed it early this morning. I put it outside, and now it's 2:30 something and dry already. Yeah, I was just on my computer. I am editing video and uploaded also. Yeah, I am now hungry, but then I don't have food. I'm thinking what I'm going to do with this potato. I'm thinking of making a potato soup, but yeah, I also have this still have this, the leftover chicken salad without mayonnaise, but I'm afraid this is already expired. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. Yeah, it's been in the fridge for yeah, more than 5 days, I think, more than 1 week. So I'm not going to eat that anymore. There is none in here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm lazy to go to the grocery. We should go outside. There are so many people outside because it's a school holiday. So yeah, like yesterday when I went to meet the two new Filipino here in the area, the friend of Inigo. Yeah, we went to Salamander. No, we went to Pingal Bay area, Shoal Bay area, and there are so many people in the beach. Yeah. But I am cravings. I'm hungry. I want to eat something. Okay, we go outside. We go to eat something. I don't know yet. How am I supposed to get on? Yo, we are now here in the Albura Marina area. Yeah, there's a sign that there are many people around here. Yeah, so many people in there, a lot of tourists. And there's one new restaurant, no, not restaurant, but there is a kind of outlet. They are selling crepe. I'm tempted to take one. Yeah, when I was working in the French baker before in the Philippines, yeah, I was doing a crepe. Yeah, nice. It tastes good, really good. Okay, we're going to take one of these. I got my crab and there is a strong wind. I'm scared this one is going to fly away. Yeah, there are many people everywhere in there, that side, and there are more people coming from that ferry, and there are so much more in here, kids playing in this water playground. And like what I've said, during the summer, especially this place is full of tourists. Yeah, we're going to take one of that salmon. Also take one handful of that marinara. We are also going to take one of this Roma tomato, 6 pieces, $5.90. It's basically 12.29 per kilogram. We are also going to take one of this bok choy. Yeah, $2.50. We're also going to take one of this leek. It's $2.50. Oh, yesterday we come here and I showed to Erickson that they have dim sum here. Actually, siomai that is just $2.50. Yeah, and this time we're going to take 2 packet. Also the barbecue siopaw or pork bun. Oh, they have egg outside here. We're going to take one of these. This is just $3.50 if I'm not mistaken. 1 dozen. And we're going to take one of this ginger. This is expensive, $49 per kilo. Yeah, expensive.